Hey guys, welcome to new video of Microsoft Office tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss and cover complete SUMIF function. Friends, if you still have not been subscribed our channel, I will request you to please subscribe our channel and press bell icon button so that you don't miss any new coming video on our channel. So, what is SUMIF function? As its name shows, SUMIF function has two parts, sum and if. This function actually sum or add values from a range if those values meet some specific criteria. And these are the only two things that we need to provide to this function to get our desired results. So let's try to use this function in some examples and see how it actually works. Here you can see we have a table that contains name of different customers, then different countries to which those customer belongs, and then different items that we have been sold, and in last column we have here sale amount. What we will do here, we will try to find out total sales based on different criteria using SUMIF function. Maybe based on the customer to whom we have been made sales, or based on country, or based on the items that we have been sold. Let's say as a first example, we want to find out total sales based on some specific criteria. Suppose we want to find out total sales maybe made to Microsoft. What we will do, we will simply use here SUMIF function. We will write here SUMIF function, and then we will see what things that we need to provide to this function. The first thing that we need to provide is range. This range is actually the range in which we have our criteria. As we said, we want to find out the total sales made to Microsoft. So as Microsoft is our criteria and this Microsoft is in this list, or this is the list of all customers to whom we have been made sales. So we will select this list or this column, and then next thing we will insert comma, and next thing is criteria. As we said, we want to find out total sales made to Microsoft. So Microsoft is our criteria. We will simply write here Microsoft in inverted commas. One thing that you need to remember here is that here if you write criteria here, you write in inverted commas. Otherwise this function will show you error. The second thing that you can do for this is that you can simply select the cell in which you have criteria. Then you don't need to write in inverted commas. Suppose we want to select cell in which we have criteria. So what we will do, we will simply select that cell. So now we don't need to put here inverted commas. So here third thing and last thing that we need to provide to this function is sum range or range of values. As we said, we want to find out total sales, and in this column we have all sale values. So we will select this column or this range, and then we will close bracket and press enter, and this is the result or total sales that we have been made to our customer Microsoft. Actually here in this sheet I have here summary so that we can cross check our results with the summary. As we said, as here we find out total sales made to Microsoft, let's compare this figure with here our summary. So here sales by customer to Microsoft we have been made total sales 34,500. So means our this answer is okay. Now let's try to find out total sales based on some different criteria. Just simply write here Microsoft, and suppose now we want to find out total sales maybe based on different based on a country. Maybe we want to find out total sales to made in United States. What we will do, let's write here United States, that so that we remember what we are doing. So here simply again we will write here SUMIF function, and then range. This is the range in which we have our criteria. As we said, we want to find out total sales made in United States. So United States is our criteria. So we will select this column in which we have United States, and then we will insert comma, then our criteria, that is United States. So this time let's write this using inverted commas. So United States, inverted comma again, then comma, last thing sum range or range of values. So this is our range of values or sales. We will select this, bracket close and press enter, and here you can see this is our result. We have been made total sales in United States is 236,500. Let's cross check this. Total sales by country, United States 236,500. So means our answer is again correct. So let's try now total sales based on some specific item that we have been sold. Maybe here we have a list of items that we are selling here. maybe we want to find out total sales by selling speaker. So just let me write here speaker, and now let's try SUMIF function range, as this is range in which we have speaker, insert comma, and then speaker. As here we have speaker, this is our criteria. We will select this cell simply, we will insert comma, and then some range, this is range that we want to find out, then again bracket close, and we will press enter, and here you can see we have total sales that we have been made by selling this item speaker. Let's cross check this. By selling speaker we have been made this total sale 251,400, and this is same as we have here 251,400. So friends, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon button, and also please share this knowledge with your friends. If you don't understand anything regarding this tutorial, please mention in below comment section. I will answer all of your questions. And at last, thanks for watching. Bye bye.